Happy April! All of the specials that you'll see in the background and hear about here are through spiritualanswersandsolutions.com. Please enjoy all of our specials for April. We have a plethora of new soothing sounds in the background for your guided meditations and hypnosis sessions. We have our wonderful streaming selections, our monthly programs for a specified amount that you are able to listen to all the downloads in that subscription. Our news special for April, which is only $10 a month, has downloads that support all of your goals for April. And April is about balance, cleaning up, and sorting everything out. So enjoy all the downloads that support these goals. We have Cleaning Brings Order and Control. It's a set of different downloads that program you to love cleaning and to reduce stress and tension, to remind you that you are in control of yourself, your world, and your life. To support you and all of your cleaning that you'll be doing is a download to help you use your time wisely. There's also another short download that helps you put everything aside and get done whatever it is that you need to get done so you feel good about the choices that you're making and everything that you're doing. Living a balanced life is so very valuable and important. There is a Living a Balanced Life set included in this program and a Balanced Life sleep hypnosis session so that you are able to put yourself to sleep, organizing your life and bringing balance to every aspect of it. Our other two downloads included in this subscription are two short downloads that motivate you and make you feel great. Every accomplishment starts with a decision to try, reminds you that what you're doing is improving your life, and the Living Your Dreams, whatever they may be, set reminds you that you have the power inside to create the life that you desire. April is a great month to get organized, to clean up and out anyone and everything that you want. So enjoy all of our manifesting sets. We have a new program, Jar Art and Manifesting, so that you can get crafty while you are creating what you want in your life. And be sure to check out all of our free kids ebooks, the activities, and the coloring books that you are able to sit down and enjoy with your children or any children in your life. April is a great month for you to manifest what you want. So be sure to look at our Pinterest board, Spiritual Answers and Solutions, and you'll find all types of April activities. Everything from affirmations to hypnosis, downloads, and sessions, to manifesting exercises and matching worksheets. Make this April your very best April. Enjoy.